business intelligence and business analytics. Both of these are crucial for businesses today, but they are often confused or used interchangeably. If you're wondering what the actual difference is, don't worry, I've got you covered. My name is Daniel, and today we are diving into the differences between business intelligence and business analytics. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what each term means, how they differ, and how they can help you make better decisions in business. But before we dive into today's topic on business intelligence versus business analytics, I want to quickly talk about something that can make a huge difference when you're traveling for business or pleasure: staying connected. Let me tell you about something that can make your travels way smoother: Holifly's eSIM. If you're like me, staying connected while traveling is a must, but dealing with SIM cards and data limits is a real hassle. That's where Holifly comes in. With Holifly, you can get unlimited data in over 213 destinations worldwide, including places like Europe, the USA, Mexico, Costa Rica, and more. No more worrying about running out of data or paying hidden fees for top-ups. Just seamless connectivity wherever you go. Here's the best part: Holifly works with eSIM technology, so you don't need to mess around with physical SIM cards anymore. You can install and activate your eSIM instantly, and it arrives in under a minute via email or WhatsApp. Super easy. Plus, you can keep your regular SIM card and your WhatsApp number, contacts, and all that good stuff. And don't worry, the whole thing is user-friendly. Holifly's new app, available on iOS and Android, makes it simple to manage your eSIM. It even checks if your phone is eSIM compatible before you buy. No surprises there. Trust me guys, I've had my fair share of travel hiccups. If I had Holifly's eSIM during some of those trips, I would have avoided a lot of stress. Whether you're in Europe or Asia, Holifly has you covered with hotspot capabilities and customizable plans to fit your needs. So, if you're looking to travel worry-free, get Holifly. You can purchase your eSIM on their website or app, and with their 24/7 support team, you'll always have someone to help you out if needed. Plus, Holifly has a flexible refund policy, something you won't find with other providers. Click the link in the description to get your Holifly eSIM now with 5% off and make your next trip a whole lot easier. Huge thanks to Holifly for sponsoring this video. And now, let's get started. What is business intelligence? Alright guys, let's first talk about business intelligence or BI. Simply put, BI is all about gathering, analyzing, and presenting data to help businesses make more informed decisions. It's like the eyes and ears of a company, giving decision makers a clear view of what's happening in their business at any given moment. BI involves collecting data from various sources like sales numbers, website traffic, or customer feedback, and organizing it in a way that's easy to understand. The goal is to turn this data into actionable insights that can improve current business operations. For example, imagine a company wants to know how its sales have been doing in the last quarter. BI would help by showing historical data, identifying trends, and presenting those insights in reports or dashboards. One of the most important parts of BI is data visualization. That means creating charts, graphs, and tables to represent data in a way that's easy for anyone to grasp. The key here is understanding what has happened in the past and using that knowledge to make decisions for today. So, BI is mostly about descriptive analytics. It tells you what happened. What is business analytics? Now let's shift gears and talk about business analytics or BA. While it sounds similar to BI, business analytics is a bit different. In simple terms, business analytics involves using data, statistical analysis, and modeling techniques to predict future trends and make decisions based on those predictions. Think of it like looking ahead to see what might happen in the future and making decisions to take advantage of that information. Business analytics goes beyond just analyzing past data. It uses advanced techniques like predictive analytics, where algorithms look at past trends and try to predict future outcomes. For instance, if a business wants to know how its sales will perform next quarter, business analytics uses data to forecast sales, customer behavior, or market trends. It's more about answering what could happen or what should we do next rather than what has happened. Another thing that sets business analytics apart is its focus on optimization. This means constantly refining processes, develop products and strategies based on data. Business analysts might run simulations or use machine learning models to identify the best course of action for achieving specific business goals, like maximizing profits or improving customer satisfaction. Key differences. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Alright folks, now that we've got a good understanding of what business intelligence and business analytics are all about, let's break down the key differences between the two. There are several areas where BI and BA diverge, so let's go through them one by one. Focus on time, past versus future. One of the main differences between BI and BA is their focus on time. Business intelligence is focused on understanding the past and present. It looks at historical data to track performance and trends. BI answers questions like, how did we perform last quarter? Or what's performing well right now? Business analytics, however, is focused on the future. It uses past and present data to predict trends and guide decisions moving forward. BA helps answer questions like, what will our sales look like next quarter? Or how can we improve our performance? So, in short, BI helps you understand the past, while BA helps you plan for the future. Type of analytics: descriptive versus predictive. Next up, let's talk about the types of analytics they focus on. Business intelligence is all about descriptive analytics. It summarizes past data to create reports and dashboards. It shows trends, like how sales changed last month or how website traffic has fluctuated. Business analytics, on the other hand, involves predictive and prescriptive analytics. BA uses data to forecast future outcomes and suggest actions. It answers questions like, what happens if we raise prices? Or what's the best way to increase revenue? So, to put it simply, BI describes what's happened, while BA predicts what will happen and gives actionable recommendations. Tools and techniques: visualization versus modeling. The tools and techniques used in BI and BA are different as well. Business intelligence relies on visualization tools. These tools turn complex data into easy-to-read charts, graphs, and dashboards. BI tools like Tableau and Power BI make it simple for anyone in the business to understand data without being technical. Business analytics uses more advanced tools for data modeling and statistical analysis. Tools like R, Python, and SAS help data scientists build predictive models and analyze larger datasets. These tools require more technical expertise, so BI focuses on visualization and reporting, while BA uses advanced analytics and data modeling. User base: business users versus data professionals. Who uses BI and BA tools is another key difference. Business intelligence is aimed at business users, like managers and executives, who need quick insights without diving into technical details. BI tools are user-friendly and don't require deep knowledge of data science. Business analytics, however, is for more technical professionals, like data analysts and data scientists. BA tools require expertise in statistics and data modeling to analyze and build predictive models. So, to sum it up, BI is for business users who need simple insights, while BA is for data professionals who dive deep into data. Outcome: reports versus recommendations. The outcomes of BI and BA are also different. Business intelligence produces reports, dashboards, or visualizations that describe the current state of the business. These reports help track trends and performance over time. Business analytics gives recommendations. BA helps businesses decide what actions to take next based on data, such as improving marketing strategies or predicting future trends. In other words, BI gives reports on the present, while BA provides actionable recommendations for the future. Scope: enterprise-wide versus problem-specific. Finally, BI and BA differ in their scope. Business intelligence is usually enterprise-wide. It gives an overview of how the entire business is performing, from sales to marketing to customer service. Business analytics is often problem-specific. It focuses on solving particular business challenges, like optimizing a marketing campaign or forecasting sales for a product line. So BI looks at the whole business, while BA focuses on solving specific problems. Business intelligence versus business analytics. Which career should you choose? Now guys, let's take a look at which career might be a better fit for you if you are considering a path in data and analytics. If you're someone who enjoys working with data, but prefers understanding how things are currently working in a business, a career in business intelligence might be for you. BI roles typically involve creating reports, dashboards, and helping businesses understand past performance. If you love visualizing data and turning it into something that others can easily understand, BI could be a great choice. On the other hand, if you enjoy working with complex data, predicting future trends, and solving problems, then business analytics might be more up your alley. BA roles are perfect for people who love data modeling, statistical analysis, and forecasting. It's all about using data to make predictions and give recommendations for future business strategies. Both fields have a lot of potential, and there are plenty of job opportunities in each. The good news is that skills in both BI and BA are in high demand across industries, so you really can't go wrong. It just depends on whether you want to focus more on understanding the present or shaping the future. So, my friends, I hope this clears up the difference between business intelligence and business analytics for you. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.